What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are here at Motorcyclepedia. We took a ride with my boy Ollie back there. Great ride in the morning. It's a beautiful Sunday, and as you can see here, Motorcyclepedia. If you want to check out some classic bikes here, it's pretty dope. Look at this bike right here. Look at this one. Put a bike here for display, and all of a sudden just grew right through it. That's crazy. Look at that, people. Right through the stem of the trunk. Look at that. An old Yamaha. Alright, I guess we're the first ones here. So, got some crushed motorcycles over there. And we're gonna go inside just to check it out, see how it is. With my buddy here, Ollie. The bike there. Alright, so we're about to go inside, check it out. Check it out. Boom, boom, boom. Real nice. A lot of bikes here. Look at that. 1978. Pretty cool stuff here. We got some pants here. Guys, I recommend you come out here and check it out. I'm not really gonna put the whole thing in the video. I'm not gonna put everything on here because I just want you guys to come through yourself and check it out. Alright, so it's just a little sneak peek of what come through. Alright, Newburgh, New York. Some serious pipe work with that. I'm not gonna film everything, guys, because I'm gonna let you guys come out here and check it out. All right. And this is all the Indian sign. Wow. Like all bicycles here, but with motors. That's very interesting. And right here they give you the years as you go by, all the way up to over there. Damn, 1908. Man, I don't even know where they even got this stuff. Pretty cool. Get these bikes. That looks like Jerry's old bike. Look at that, Jerry. Old bike. Look at this one, guys. Terminator. Actually a tire under there, that's crazy. That's where you could be seen. Alright guys, we made it here to OCC, Orange County Choppers. It's only about 10 minutes away from the museum, and we're gonna check it out, go inside, see what they got. Stop by here, Orange County Choppers. We're about to go in. Shit. Well, I guess it's through here. All right, guys, we made it back home safe. Just got back from the ride. Did about 150 miles for the day, and we went to Motorcyclepedia. It's like a motorcycle museum in Newburgh, New York, and we stopped also at Orange County Choppers also. But if you're planning to go to Orange County Choppers, don't go, because they're actually closing up. There's not a lot of things there, or no motorcycles, barely anything. They actually are moving to Florida because the COVID did hit them bad, and they couldn't survive the store there, so they actually had to move. All right, so it was a great ride. Enjoy the video. Till next time, like, subscribe, and share, and comment below. Let me know what you think. If you're ever gonna go visit that place again, the museum, just hit me up, and then I'll go with you guys. All right, talk to you soon. Peace.